Hello! My name is Cleofe A. Baterna Jr., a licensed professional teacher from the Philippines. I earned my Bachelor of Science in Industrial Education, major in Electrical Technology in 1999. I also completed a certificate in biology to broaden my teaching competence. To further develop professionally, I finished my Master of Arts in Education, major in Educational Management, and later earned my Doctor of Philosophy in Educational Planning and Management. Currently, I am pursuing another Master of Arts in Education, major in Special Education, to support diverse learners and promote inclusive education. I have been in the teaching profession since 2000, with more than 20 years of experience in both secondary and tertiary education. I taught high school students, particularly second and third year level, and I have also handled undergraduate courses. From 2017 to 2025, I also serve as a planning and development officer while continuing teaching responsibilities. This role helped me to develop stronger leadership, planning, and organizational skills. Through the G1 Exchange Visitor Program, I hope to share Filipino culture and values with my host school in the United States, while learning new teaching strategies, technology integrations, and student engagement approaches that I can apply in the Philippines. Thank you.